Hello guys, welcome back to another video of 30 days CAD challenge where we would be making 3D models out of 2D models. Today we are going to make model 25. The learning outcome that you would get from this video is how to use law of boss base command. Hope you guys enjoy this video and let's start. Starting with the hexagon part. Create map. Okay. Then exit the sketch. Then take a plane. Add a distance of 70, 76. Okay. Now sketch on the plane. Make a circle of 32 diameter. Okay, and then exit the sketch. Then again take a reference plane from this plane and make it 50. This you can see. Okay, sketch on this plane. Take center rectangle and mark dimension 70 by 70. Okay, then exit the sketch. Now go to lofted boss base. Select this section, and then this section. And then okay. Hide this plane and hide this plane. So here our model 25 is complete. Do let us know if you came across any difficulty in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe to our channel Start Scratch and check out other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content. Thank you, and I would see you guys in the next one.